What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video I got a 5.0 Mustang getting wrapped in this Teckwrap gloss Aurora white. Very nice color, as you guys can see. So this person, they drive all the way from San Jose. I'm in Sacramento. That's about like 2.5–3 hours, and yeah, it's gonna look nice. It's gonna be worth the drive. Definitely gonna be worth the drive. So with the hood, these parts right here, I'm gonna do in gloss black. I did a Mustang like this. I believe the bumper was the only thing different on that Mustang. I know for the spoiler, we're also gonna do gloss black, just to blend it in a little bit. You know, you don't want to have the same color everywhere, everything same color. You want to make sure some stuff are, you know, different colors, like in this case gloss black spoiler and then gloss black on the hood, those grills. So yeah, it's gonna look very nice. This color is crazy. There you go, guys. Did the whole front end, did the bumper. A little bit tricky because like you got these areas and whatnot, like it's really awkward. But yeah, I did this piece in one piece and then above another piece and then blended it in. Didn't want to stretch it. This is Teckwrap, so it is really tacky. It's also much thicker than like 3M or Avery, so you can get away with like these kind of areas with like thick vinyls. So anyways, how to do what I gotta do with the two pieces and whatnot. The hood, however, is finished as well. It did take off these grills, whatever, and I did go all the way in there as I always do with my wraps. And this is gloss black by 3M 2080. The roof is done in this color. We did not do it in gloss black. If this was my personal car, I would have done the side mirrors in gloss black and the roof in gloss black. I believe that looks really nice. But I did do the antenna in gloss black. Like I said, you don't want to have the same color everywhere. You want to kind of blend it in with like gloss black or carbon fiber, you know. But so far it's coming along pretty good. I did take off the headlights. I did take off the grills on the bumper. Like, it's crazy. There's all the little pieces. I'm gonna put it back in and finish her up, and then I'm gonna come at you guys live with the whole car finished, do a 360 walk around, show you guys this color in the sunlight, which I can expect it to be insane. Literally, I can only imagine. Anyways, there you guys have it all finished in gloss Aurora white by Teckwrap. Let me show you guys where the sun is hitting it. It's crazy, like it literally blinds you. This vinyl really do go crazy in the sunlight, especially. That gloss black, now you guys see what I'm talking about, gives it some character. Take you guys around real quick to the other side, the rear end. And you guys can see right here, this is also not in gloss black, because this is in gloss black. I unfortunately ran out of gloss black, but I did wrap it in some even crazier. Look at that, look at that. That's how it's done. It is all finished. I'm gonna show you guys this angle right here. Look, that is crazy. That is crazy. Look at the sun beaming off. Like, bro, this is crazy. So yeah, this is Teckwrap. So I do recommend using tack reducer. It is tacky. Also, this material isn't 3M, Avery, KPMF. You know, it's not on the thin side. It's more on the thicker side. So just be ready for that. If you're doing cars that are really aggressive on the angles and you're trying to two-piece, it is going to be more visible as opposed to working with like KPMF. I don't know why, but KPMF, like the thinner vinyls, they blend in nicely when you're two-piecing a couple areas. And you do have to two-piece, like right here. This area right here, it's crazy, it's awkward. But everything went pretty good. I removed everything, the grills, but tucked it in there nicely, and then just put the plastic pieces back in there. And it covered up a lot of the, you know, like normally you'll cut it. In this case, you're not gonna see none of that because it's all the way in there. Take a look real quick all around. Glossy. So yeah, those mirrors, one piece. What else? That's gloss black. Oh, check this spoiler out. This is what I was trying to show. It is not gloss black like that little pieces, the antenna. So if you shine a light, you take your light and shine in it.
Like lighting there, huh?
Oh,
like
that's
crazy, huh?
Yep.
Yep. Little something, but yeah. There you go. Heck yeah. Perfect. Dang, it looks so clean. Look at it. So happy. So right here is going to be the sunlight. You're going to see how it's going to change. Completely different car. Looks unbelievable. There you guys have it. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.